So this is how you can show your Wi-Fi password without needing the QR code. So if you're on iOS, this may be pretty simple for you. Make sure you have the iOS 18 in order to proceed, because if you do, you will be able to show the password of the very internet that you are using to your friends. So I'm going to show you real quick. I'm only going to show you an article from Apple because I don't have the iOS 18 yet, as it is not compatible with my device. They only require the iPhone 16 and above to upgrade to the iOS 18 because they're made for each other. So, now that you have the iOS 18, I'm going to show you how to find your password on your internet. It's actually very easy. You're going to want to go to your settings app and then look for Wi Fi. You could also scroll down and then hold your Wi Fi button and it'll take you there. Now, find the Wi Fi network that you are currently using and then tap on it. Now look for the info button, which should look like an eye with a circle around it. Now tap on the password field and it should reveal the password, and then your friends can use that password in order to access the internet. And yeah, that's about it. All you have to do is tap on the password and it's going to show. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.